Hello, what is your name?
I'm Marisa Pili Makasayama,
How old are you?
35 years old,
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes.
Do you have kids?
Yes.
How many kids you have?
3 kids.
How old are they?
12, 9, and 7.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
2 years.
Do you have any working experience in our country?
Yes, Abu Dhabi, 2 years.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
2 years.
Where's your employer living in?
Shum Shoy,
How many square feet of your employer's
300
house?
square feet.
How many family member there?
4.
How many children?
2 kids.
Okay.
2 adults.
Okay, so how old the kids?
7 and 5.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning 6 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
After that, preparing breakfast for the children and wake them up. Dress for them for school. After that, taking them in the school. When I come back at home, go to market and preparing lunch for the children and take it in the school and do cleaning in the house and washing clothes. After that, preparing dinner at 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock they eat dinner and 9 o'clock I go to bed.
Okay, thank you.